Okay, I'm Marshie Morgan, author of 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery and Grandparent Memories from the Heart. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. If I bring you any entertainment or value, please like and subscribe. Okay, so what's the channel about? I bring tips, tricks, and hacks based on your personal life and your business life, so you never know what you're going to get that day. Okay, let's dive in. We're talking about information list and Sellr, and why are we talking about it? Why is that important? For me, it is a critical component to my business because I give key information to the customer, and it's written because it's on the receipt. So they get that information immediately that's pertinent and important to them, and it's on the receipt. Okay? Now, how do we make one? I'm going to show you. We're going to walk through it step by step. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to view items, and we're going to go manage items. And you'll see here at the top that there's a bunch of buttons. Shared modifiers, I have a video on that, on how to use it. Now you may be going, okay, what are all these buttons? What's the big deal with these buttons? Well, one of the things I want to do is bring that information to you by doing these videos. Now, I've had Sellr for a long time now, and I had them create my website, but now I have another website called marshiemorgan.com that I am creating and doing it myself. So as I'm doing it, I'm sharing that information with you so you can understand how to use your program better. Because I think when we get started, we just go, okay, I just need the basic. Here's my picture, here's the amount, and I'm done. And you might not know all the features that Sellr can bring to you and help you in your business. So let's dive in. So we've gone to view items under items for sale. And now we're under manage items, and we've clicked on information list. I'll review that. So here you go, manage items, info list. So I have a bunch of them. And the reason I have a bunch of them is because I am sharing information with my customer. So here's Minnesota Refresher. Now, how do you create one? Well, it's simple. You just go down here, you say test, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, add new list. They go in alphabetical, they go in order, okay? And you see here that I've been practicing because we did take 5, okay? And then if you don't want it there, you can just delete it, okay? And it won't be there. But understand, if you delete, it's gone. And you may have some really important information. So let's go back to this, the Minnesota Refresher. So in this case, I want to see, am I running out? Because there's 38. Now let's say it's a particular item that I've bought. Okay, I see that I don't have any more. Okay, what am I going to do? Well, I don't panic. I don't have to create a whole new list. All I have to do is add to this one. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go, okay, boom. And I'm going to go Control C, and then I'm going to push the back arrow. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to push the green plus sign. And then you'll see here I can only add 50 lines. Well, it looks like I need to add some. So here we go. I'm going to add some. Now, if you do too many, guess what happens? Or if you go too fast, like I just did, and it goes across, all you have to do is push enter and it goes to the next line. Then I say add to the list. Boom. So then what happens is I go down here and I look, Minnesota refresher, and you'll notice that this number went up. And if I go to view, you'll see now that it is not attached to a customer. So this is good information that they're going to need to actually do the class. But this could be an arrangement of things. Whatever you think your customer needs, you can put on there. Again, if I brought you any value, please like or subscribe and have a blessed